Let's go in. Say good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Yung pimples, milabas na parang pimples, guys. Anyway, I'll be cooking breakfast, 7:51 in the morning. So, para makain yung mga kids before we go to the church today. Nagluluto lang ako ng bacon, guys. And hindi kami ng bread yesterday sa Sam's. Nagpunta kami yesterday sa Sam's. And of course, we got bread. Good morning. You need to wake up. Silang dalawa. Dito pala sila natulog dalawa, guys. Together. Uy, katulugan pa? Nicole needs to wake up. It's 8 already. Come on. Hi, guys. Yung boses ko. Anyway, right now it's 12:20 in the afternoon. Hindi ako nakasama sa church today, guys. Yung kids and then Belle. Hindi ako nakapunta because I feel tired. Hindi ko alam. Sobrang pagod ako, guys, na hindi ko maintindihan. Parang na-feel ko na homesick ako for the past 8 months. Naiyak ako. Very transparent ako right now. Transparent to say this na there are really times na na-miss ko yung Pinas. Na-miss ko yung times na I can just go visit my friends every weekend. Or yung friends ko, yung pupunta kung saan ako nakatira. And here kasi, biglang naalala yung mga memories nung nasa Pinas. Here kasi, guys, the difference is wala akong friends na Pinoy. I mean, like, may nakilala ako or may kakilala ako mga Pinoy from the church. But at the same time, if you compared naman them from the friends you have in the Philippines, it's totally different. I mean, yeah, parang kumbaga acquaintance lang sila or nakakausap mo lang because you meet them in church, but hindi talaga yung same sa Pinas. Yung closeness, ibang-iba. Now, I understand why some Filipinas na nandito, like, parang ang OA tingnan or parang I think yung Pinoy na nasa Pinas, hindi nila maintindihan. Yung asawa ko kanina, like, he wanted to make sure na okay lang ako before he left. So, nagpunta silang church, guys, silang tatlo. Hindi ako sumama kasi I feel drained. Like, I feel like, hindi ko alam. Nag-flashback sa akin yung mga memories na nasa Pinas ako, guys, with friends, na hindi ko na siya nagagawa. Sakit na lamunan ko, naiyak na ako kanina. Pero, siguro ito na yung tinatawag nila na homesick. 8 months na kami dito. Or okay naman ako, like, okay. But hindi ko alam today, parang gusto ko umuwi. Kasi like, here kasi, guys, parang ang silent. Ang quiet ng bahay. Like, sobrang iba siya. I mean, like, we have everything we need, honestly. And thank God naman, like, I had a husband na sobrang responsible when it comes to giving us everything. Giving us the needs that we need here in the house, food, clothing, everything that we need. But when it comes to socializing kasi guys, I still am craving for those times na I can laugh with my true friends. Ikipag-jokes ka without hesitation kasi yung kasama mo are like, they knew you better or they knew you totally na it doesn't matter yung character mo kasi kilalang kilala ka nila. And na-miss ko yung part na yun kasi hindi ko yan magagawa. Lang yun, naiiyak lang ako kasi hindi ko magagawa yung mga dati, like yung magtapok-tapok ba, like I'm just gonna text my friend Jonah, okay, come here, can we have some hey, visit me naman kasi kakain lang tayo ng mga ganito, kahit yung mga pinobre lang ba na food, pero andun kami together with my friends and then tawanan, kantahan, yung mga ganun. Pero dito hindi ko siya magagawa. Pero you know what guys, even the kids, they always like told me na namimiss din nila yung Pinas. Alam ko na homesick yung mga bata din. But first time na nangyari sa akin na ganito yung like na feel ko na sobrang drain. Like hindi ko alam, hindi kami nag-away ng asawa ko, never. Wala kaming pinag-aawayan or what. But nag-pop out lang sa mind ko, parang ang silent ng bahay. And then na-realize or nag-flashback sa akin lahat ng mga good memories with friends nung nasa Pinas pa ako. Like, yun lang yung iniyakan kong babo. Takay ito mukha ko dito. But anyway, wait na sila. I'm sure yung kids and Bill is heading home now. They will be here anytime soon. So, ang gagawin ko guys, maglilinis of course kasi hindi ko pa pinafold yung ating bed. Kasi nga kanina pag alis nila, nag-lay down lang talaga ako, hindi ko alam, parang gusto ko lang mag-alone, gusto ko lang mag-relax, gusto ko lang alone. Yun lang. Teka ba?
Ako.
Where did you buy this?
Goodwill.
Ang gabid yun, Dre.
Tingnan ko siyang chocolate.
Haman akong chocolate. Where's my chocolate?
Di pa man
chocolate yung ngalan.
Di pa man Valentine's Day. Kita?
Sado be? Happy Valentine's Day. Advance. Hi, chocolate. Welcome to the family.
All of our hugs and kisses.
Okay. Late na yung anak ko, guys. Wala pa yung asawa ko. I'm sure he went to the coffee shop to buy his coffee. Anyway, it's okay. Hatid na lang namin sa school. Si Nicole today. 7:20 na eh. Yung bus niya dadating mga 7:22. 1, 2, 3. So, hatid naman si Nicole. Wala nga siya. Very good. Okay, the grasses needs water. Ano siya naman akong gibuhat? Ay, para kayo doon. It's raining in Texas. Can you believe it? It's raining. my friend was asking me because I posted a video. And she's like, it's not raining there. Sometimes. Very. We're living in a desert. Welcome to Texas. I haven't vlogged in this area at all. So this is downtown of Bryan, where we live. But I haven't been here, roaming around here and vlog. Just giving you a little video about it. So Bryan is just a small town, not very small town, but still considered a small town for me.
Maybe small city.
Brian is not a city. It is a city. Wrong na naman ko. Bagsak ng po ko sa history. Where are you hiding?
If I ever brought you here.
No. Taligsik ko po guys. We're here at Columbus Mexican restaurant. Walang tao dito guys. Hindi naman ako gutom. They are locked. Oh, they're open. Wow. Pretty. Their coffee is not really that expensive.
Oh, yeah.
So they only serve this one. They have another menu for lunch. Of course. Thank you.
Get 2 breakfast plates, scrambled on eggs, unless you want fried. They'll fry it. You want scrambled? Okay, scrambled and bacon for both.
So you want 2 plates?
Yeah, one for little one.
The same way both? So 2 breakfast plates.
Toast.
She wants. Yeah, she get toast.
And bacon for both, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
I like this chair. Where can I order? Where can we order this?
It's probably custom made.
It's so nice. Coronas gitu no? Pag yung Coronas, bitaw lang ano. How cool.
I really like the green sauce here.
I like this place so much. Look how rustic. Tama ba? Rustic? This is so nice. Oh.
Be spicy for you.
It's the same taste, just like what we got from Sam's. Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much. Let's eat, guys. Yeah, first time ko dito. I'm sure this is fine.
Yeah.
Nandiyan na yung taga-pick up ng aming basura here. Actually, Tuesday is trash day, pero yung mga trash na, mga solid trash, like mga boxes, empty boxes and things. Yeah. Pero yung like trash, yung galing sa kitchen, guys, every Thursday. Ayan, oh. Like, they do that. O, diba? Ganyan ka-high-tech sila dito. Isa lang yan. Driver lang yan. At saka siya din yung nag-ooperate. See. Uy, babae pa. It's a girl, actually. We are home. 9 in the morning, guys. It's 9 in the morning and we are home. Sobrang, like, umuulan pa rin sa labas. And it's very dark outside. Not very, but it's very cloudy outside. Walang kaaraw-araw. So, what are we gonna do now? I have to prepare my mother-in-law's breakfast kasi she will be awake anytime soon. Hinahayaan namin siya matulog, guys. To be honest, like, some people might say na, oh, dapat gisingin or what, but lagi daw siyang nagigising sa gabi. So, I really understand. I think, pag tumatanda ka, ganyan talaga yung nangyayari. So, we don't wake her up. Not unless, like, oy, parang iba na to like, na-oversleep na masyado. So, yun, ginigising namin. But this time, hinahayaan namin siya until 9 or until 9:30 at least in the morning. Asa yung kailangan ko na ikat. So, ito lang. Sobrang, ano niya, like, sobrang liit kasi ni mom. So, hindi siya kumakain ng marami. Hindi siya kumakain ng maraming portion ng food, guys. And nakakatuwa lang kasi at the same time, siya and then yung asawa ko, they are both the same na hindi sila mahirap pakakainin. Like, she can eat whatever and she has small appetite. So, konting-konti lang talaga yung pinakain niya every meal. So, ito yun. Binili namin to sa Walmart nung nakaraan. Well, if you remember na, sabi ko sa inyo that we shop together. So, bumili siya ng mga ganitong pang breakfast na maliliit na portions. Hindi ko na maalala kung ano pangalan nito, but it's in a box. Nakalimutan ko na, guys. But this is like brisket man ata ni, and then cheese and egg, and then the other one is parang pepperoni man ata. Yeah, yan lang yung breakfast niya. And then hot chocolate, that's it. $10.56. And it's so funny, no? Kasi how many times did I advertise about the puppy keep? And I have few friends who messaged me about it and they're trying to play and told me na may isa na nakakuha na siya. And I was like, oh, see, nag-work pala siya sa Pinas, guys. So if you're from the Philippines who's watching this video, and you know, like if you have extra time, so you can have free items from Shein. I'm not promoting this. Like, I didn't get anything aside from me playing from Shein and getting something. But I'm not getting anything from promoting this kind of thing. Gusto ko lang talaga siya i-share para mas marami yung makaka-claim ng free item from Shein. So, all you have to do is just play. It's Puppy Keep Share. You have to search it in a search bar, and it's a Puppy Keep thing. So, right now, I am on my way, very close to claim my third $30 free credit from Shein, as you can see. Ayan, guys. And I was just planning on keeping, because the two $30 na na-claim ko before, I was like getting something out of it. But I have something in my mind that I wanna like play and play and play, kasi meron akong gustong i-achieve. I wanted to achieve at least $150 kasi meron akong isang item na gusto kong kunin. And so what I was thinking is just like play and play and play until I reach $150 and I could get that one pretty item that I really wanted to have. Hindi naman like I can buy it if I wanted to, pero mas prefer ko tong free. Mas prefer ko tong free kasi wala tayong perang ilalabas. So I'm just like, but right now, since wala akong ginagawa, I'm done cleaning outside. I'm done feeding mom, everything. So, ang tagal ko na itong pinlano na maglilinis ako ng aking nails. Kasi nga, guys, meron akong mga gamit from the Philippines na dala-dala. Kasi meron akong narinig from before na sabi na, the thing here in the US, it's too expensive daw to go out and, you know, like, go out to nail salon for your nails. So sabi ko, I can do it myself. That's why I have free time naman to do it. So I have this mga nail polish that I got from Ulta Beauty nung magpunta kami ng asawa ko doon last time. Dalawa yan. And this one, so ni-research ko pa talaga to. Ma'am Ami gave this to me, and thank you so much, Ma'am Ami. Easy. Ito naman yung Easy from Ulta Beauty. Ito yung binili ko namin ng husband. Ito yung binigay ni Ma'am Ami sa akin. This one too, si Ma'am Ami nagbigay. And then, where ba isa here? I think that's it. Ito, parang binili ko ba to? I think I got this one. Binili ko rin to sa Ulta Beauty, I think. And then, ito kasi guys, yung hindi ko nadala nung when I went here, when I traveled here, ito yung mga hindi ko nadala. This one, and this one. And fortunately, sobrang fortunate ko kasi one of my subscribers messaged me, talked to me. She said like, nag-watch na siya ng video sa akin. And then, she's also like going here ba sa area where I live. And she asked me if I have something that I wanted her to, kaya tingin ko, sabi niya kung may gusto ba daw akong ipapabili para madala niya. So sabi ko, naisip ko like, oh, because I couldn't buy this here. I couldn't find this one ba or ito. Ito ata. I couldn't find it here. In the US. Ang hirap niyang hanapin. Wala talaga akong makita guys kahit Amazon. So, you know, like I really asked favor and yun lang. Ito lang yung inano ko sa kanya but she got this 2 sets of ganito. Ito yung binili niya sa akin. Dalawang sets na ganito guys. And I'm just so grateful kasi ang bait niya talaga. Dinala niya talaga guys. Nakita kami sa college station to give this to me. And she is studying in E&M. Her parents are both in medical field. Ang bait niya. Sobrang bait. Sobrang bait talaga. And sweet. Binigyan pa ako ng chocolate. I think I did not vlog that one but I said something a little bit about it. So anyway, magka-clean ako ng aking nails. Hindi ko alam kung i-clean ko yung aking kuko sa aking hands kasi always ko itong ginagamit to clean the house anyway. So, hindi ko alam. I might. Let's see. Pero yung kuko ko sa paa, I will really like clean this one. Tagal ko na itong pinlano eh. And I don't know which color should I use. This one or this one. I love both this color. Oh. Parang avocado green and then this one is ano bang color niyan? Pink. Pusha pink. Ay pagka pink, I don't know. Rusty, brown, pink, I don't know. Something like that. But both of them are nice. So I'll clean my nails first and then I'll be putting this nail polish. Ang nakaano lang ito is masakit siya sa ilong. This one, this. Masakit siya sa ilong guys. Think I'll just show you later after I'm done, no? Kasi nakaka-board naman manood lang kayo naglinis ako ng kuko. Done! I'm done cleaning and putting nail polish on my nails. Sa paa lang guys kasi yung kamay ko, nilinisan ko lang. Hindi ko pa nilagyan ng nail polish kasi I don't know, I'm gonna clean pa kasi sa labas. Anyway, it's raining hard outside as you can see. Nasa bintana ako sa aking bedroom. At saka ang lamig today. Actually, starting yesterday, sabi ng asawa ko mga 1 week daw yung lamig. So, lamig ulit. And then, I think that's it. And then, mag-spring na and weather will be very nice. And pwede na kaming lumabas. Pwede na kaming adventure ulit. Kahit dyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Tabi-tabi. Pagod ng tummy ko. Sakit ng tiyan ko. Ayaw kong gumalaw. But I need to move. Anyway, i-check ko yung boxes dito. Kasi meron akong 3 boxes that I have to check on. Ito yung sinabi ko sa inyo mga damit ko guys. Hindi ko alam kung papadala ko sa Pinas or ibibenta ko na lang. Tapos palit. Meron mga damit ng mga bata. Kasi ouch! Ang sakit na likod ko. My gosh. Feeling ko ang tanda-tanda ko na. Aray. Ang sakit. Meron kasi ako mga damit dito guys. Like, yung mga ganito akong damit. Ito yung mga sinusuot ko sa Pinas. Well, because I am a beach lover kasi ako guys. I love beach. I go to the beach with my friends. Like, hindi naman every day, pero we go to the beach. So, meron ako mga crop top na ganito. Then, I matches it with like skirt lang. And then go. Yun, aura-aura na sa beach. Mahilig ako sa crop top. But then here, hindi na ako makakasuot ng mga ganito. Because, guys, maganda siya suotin sa labas. But if you go out and go to the store, ang lamig sa store. So, I just cannot. Hindi kaya ng powers. Na, But anyway, this one, extra small. Ay, sa Shein pala to. Ako ba bumili dito? Oo. I got this one, pero I was thinking na, nabili ko to ng mga 600, 500. Ibibigay ko to sa cousin ko, hindi ko to ibebenta. But, Yun na nga eh. May 3 akong mga clothes dito na I was thinking, bibigay ko na lang sa Pinas, no? Kasi sayang. Sayang din kasi, hindi naman to na mga damit ko dito guys, hindi siya yung like overuse or super use na clothes. So hard to decide. Ito, hindi ko to nasuot tong dress na to. Diba? Pumili lang ako ng something hindi ko rin masusuot. But, segregate ko na lang yan guys. Kasi maghahanap ako ng malaking box para dito. Kasi gusto ko kasi, like, diba, nung nakaraan nagre-reklamo ako about sa pagpapadala ng LBC or balikbayan box sa Pinas. Kasi nung yung nagpapadala ako guys, September. Dumating ng Pinas, mga 2nd week of January ata or 3rd week, hindi ko na malala. So it took 4 months. Hindi na ako gagamit ng LBC. Magpapalit ako ng career. Meron dito na mas malapit, which is good. Kasi hindi na namin kailangan mag-drive pa Houston just to send balikbayan box. Merong UMAC na nasa College Station lang. So yun yung gagamitin ko na career guys. But before I do that, iniisip ko kasi na I have to make sure na dapat 4 months before Christmas yung padala. So, I have to make sure na by August, September, October, November, December, mga August. Dapat by August, nagpapadala na ako para, dadating talaga siya ng December. So, like, first week of August. So, yun. So, I have to make sure na, makakapuno na tayo kahit 2 box ng something. Mga damit lang yung paglalagay ba? Damit. Huwag na kayong mag-expect na mayroong perfume. Oy, charot. Ow. Sakit. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ganito yung parang pang makichismis ba? Kasi gaaway. Guys, we're gonna pick up Yashli 3:50 PM. Grabe lakas ng ulan. Ang lakas ng ulan at saka ang lamig. Basta niya akong tiil ron. I'm not wearing shoes. I'm wearing slippers. Is it open? Oh. Yeah. I wanna run. Paon niyang payong guys. Perfect yung ulan na guys. Kusog yun na ulan. O, basa na ka. Ako diba? Yung aming pa yung pang ice cream. Yashli is here. Late kami guys nag-pick up. Sorry. Ikapoy kag-wait. No, we're going to Walmart. Bibili kaming bagong grinder. Coffee grinder. Nag-explain ba ako nasira yung coffee grinder niya guys kahapon. Bibilhan ko pala si Nicole na bagong tumbler. Oh, somebody's calling me. I think this is Nicole. I'm sure this is Nicole. Hello? Yes. What are you planning? How much is that? $3. What kind of game is this? Toy. Ito yung mga naka-clearance dito sa Walmart, guys. So, mura na lang siya. Alawang. Watch band. $3 na lang, oh. Ito din, oh. $7. Para sa, to sa watch. Yan, oh. Mura. Maraming mura dito. Start a toy, Ashley. Let's go. May baby. Hello, cute. What is this? I think it's like a mga to? This one ba? Ano sa iyo? That's nice kaya. Murag namin salida ni. Diba? May salida. Oh. There you go. Ito yung oh, can you come back here? Okay. She needs to go and use toilet. Okay, come back here, okay? After you use toilet. Yung hinahanap, hala, blender. Pwede mo ta maghimog mango shake, oh. Brato ra. $22 only. Yes. For smoothie. Ito yun, oh, for smoothie. Pwede tayong gumawa ng ano. Mango shake. You have the one that same. This one looks the same.
It's a blade.
Blade coffee grinder. What do you want?
With the furrow.
That's gonna custom grind. Oh, it has different types of cuts, I guess. Sakit ng tummy ko talaga, guys. Mura na lang to. Murag barato lang po sa Pinas. At I think mura lang naman ata to sa Pinas. Hindi lang talaga nauso itong mga ganito sa Pinas ba kasi 3-in-1 mahilig yung mga Pinoy eh. Sila dito kasi kailangan nila yung mga ganito. This is the only grinder they have. And this one. And this one. Is this grinder? Yeah, electric blade. Small one.
Yeah, but I want burr. So the blade, it just chops it into smaller and smaller pieces. Burr grinder actually grinds the coffee, crushes it.
It's still the same because it crushed both. Both of them crushes. Yeah, but you're gonna put milk on this. I don't understand. I'm not American, so 3-in-1 lang yung alam ko, guys. So.
However,
Oh, they're not gonna sell this.
not even a box.
Bahay na kami. Naglalaro na tong isa. Hindi ko to napakita. Binili ni Bill nung nakaraan. Punta kaming Walmart para sa kanyang kamay. Ay, uy! What are you doing? Hala, gibinuangan ka! Diri ka, oh, pwede ka magsakit. Sa dalunggan, magsipa-untol. Scared siya. Ulan paghihapon. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Ang lamig. Oh, diba sobrang green na dito, oh. Kinadiligan, mas madidiligan kasi dito na area palagi. That's why it's green. But yeah, unti-unti nang bumalik yung ano, guys, yung healthy grasses and green grasses. Yun nga lang, here in the US, pag, for example, if it's summertime or it's very hot, sunny, we need to water the grass. And then, ito kasing area na to, guys, like, the entire, sa buong paligid ng aming, backyard and front yard, meron kami mga sprinkler, like, may sprinkler dyan, ito, sprinkler yan, guys, oh. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagamitin, kaya, nung nakaraan, nagdilig ako, I was just using the hose. Kasi hindi ko siya ma-on. Ayaw ko rin na magpataka-tag-on na nag-iahak kasala. Makata. Ito, lagi ka dito nakapauntong sa gawas if you want, but it's so cool. O, dahil sa pagpauntulan, nakasaba kayo.
Man, labi ako yung homework.
I know.
Lang,
You need to shower. You have to shower. What time is it? Almost 5. And we have to pick up ate as well. Okay ka, nara sa libro ang answer. Guys, binili namin to, guys. Ito yung binili namin. Grinder. Oh,
mahal.
nasa ay, lubat siya, Yash. Lubat. Nagguba na po yung charger. I don't know how to. Here, ala, wow, cute. Babe. So cute. And then, sprinkler. Kasi kailangan ko ng sprinkler. up Nicole. I don't know where she is.
Yeah, I don't know where she is either.
Maybe she's not out yet. There's a red card too.
Yeah.
Hi.
You
Pagdali. How was the tutorial today?
Abot siya mat.
Math?
And I was like, what nag-work akong utok.
Your brain is not working? What happened?
Nilugan ako mat.
You don't like math?
Di ka tong isa ka lagi.
Don't be like me.
Hindi, ang isa ka lagi kay kanang musulay ko cancel ko pero katong lagi kay magdiretso ra siya cancel. Di dapat ingon sa teacher nga. Erase ang hand siya kay wala gyud. Diretso ra siya cancel.
He's not following direction.